It all started with the cherry-flavored lipstick. Look, Mom's got a surprise for you. A kitty. What can be better than a flesh and blood friend? A magic Barbie. That's what. Let's go party. But first, what do we have here? Oh no! Who would toss some perfectly good legs? Don't worry, they're not alive. So, let's use them for arts and crafts. Also a great way to save on stockings. But she's got a better idea. Make 3. And add some glass on top. It's a table. Oh, look what's over here. Roll it down. These walls are in need of a makeover. What can we use? Oh, a candy wrapper. And the best part, it's already plenty sticky. Smooth it out. We're gonna need more candy. Wow, everything looks great. Well, the room, I think you deserve a makeover too. Uh-oh, talk about losing face. I guess this doll's starting from scratch. Okay, start by filling up these shapes. Barbie can do this blindfolded. After all, she's Barbie. Now let's try it out. Much better. Next up, let's cut up some sponges. Make any shape you like. Oh, a heart. Add some paint on top. And start stamping on the wall. Make sure to get all 4 walls. Meanwhile, let's check in on our human friends. Well, her trash is another doll's treasure. It's not much of a hula hoop, but let's add some tights. Wrap them around to bring it together. The 4 legs should be hanging down. Now tie them to the other end. Add more so it looks like a dream catcher. We just need something to hang it from. Almost done. Now it's the best seat in the house. Hey, what's in your hair? Ooh, a spring spiral. Let's hang a bunch of these too. Hey, watch out! Ooh, look, a wheel!
La 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 la.
And a paint roller. It's still wet. How about we paint this box? What's next? Old noodles? Well, maybe we can use the plate. Give it a clean new look. And we've got wheels. But the decorating doesn't have to stop there. Still, nothing beats a little name branding. And look who's coming for a visit. It's Ken! And he's a mess. Well, he's in the right place. Let's get you a new face while we're at it. Ooh, clown! Still, let's try the mustache one. Unibrows are due for a comeback. Oh wait, I'm thinking of unicorns. I guess you just can't beat a classic.
Whoa!
Oh, is your Barbie Jeep for sale? Ken dollar should cover this. Don't spend it all in one place. Look, Ken gave you his number. Hi, Ken. What the? Let's try again. I think we're gonna need a new phone. Okay, cut a cat shape out of cardboard. Hot glue some cardboard on the side. Now add a cover on top. Let's add color. Pink, it's kind of her thing. And some purple on the side. Looking good, but our phone still needs a keyboard. Ooh, it's a Hello Kitty phone. They gotta stick together. Hi, Ken. Let's get ready for that ride. Wait, what happened to your shoes? It's worse than I thought. Flat feet! And your shoes don't fit anymore. Well, it's okay. We can always make more. This glass jar should help. Clean it off. Now cover it up with some tape. Add spray foam. Wait for it to dry. Okay, let's trim it down to size. Now we're gonna need a file. Great, now use it on the shoe. Time to add some pink paint. We're ready for a big adventure. What's this? Oh, the beach. I know. Take some cardboard and use it to make a window. Let's add some shutters on the sides and hang it up on the wall. Slide that beach photo inside. Huh, an ocean view at no additional cost. Next up, take a plastic bowl and start stacking. We'll need a few. Wow, we're making a whole column. Now take some paper and cut it up. Make some frills and put it on the top. We're gonna need a bunch of these. We've got ourselves a palm tree. Ooh, your dress is a mess. Let's cut out those stains. Okay, that didn't help much. It's time to get the rubbish bin. But we're not tossing this dress. The bin's our new accessory. Now grab some colored material and stick it inside the holes. It's like a tulle ruffled skirt.
Yeah!
Oh no! What's going on now? It's trash day! Dun dun dun! Oh, come on, at least sort your plastics. Oh, Barbie will always be there for you. What a happy ending. Now, where's Ken with our car?